Have you ever wondered what a model coach is? I am a model coach and I want to show you what the behind the scenes looks like on a day-to-day basis for me. So starting off in the morning, I am usually going through my clients' portfolios, looking at the progress that they're making. Then in the midday, I am having one-to-one coaching sessions with them to review what areas that they need to work on. And then in the afternoon, this is where I'm actually creating content like I am today. So this is like super fun. I get to just express myself and be creative. And then in the evening, this is where I am prepping up for my master classes. And then at the end of the day, throughout the day, actually, I am answering all the DMs and I'm trying to support the models as much as I can. And so, the most fun part about being a model coach is that I help you make your dreams come true, okay? I give you the confidence and the tools that you need to become a successful model, no matter how many times you've been rejected or feel disappointed by the industry. All right, so if you are ready to take things to the next level and you want someone to be very supportive and an ally to you and on your corner and your side, then I want you to join us for our upcoming Masterclass. And this is where I'll be there to support you and show you the whole ropes of being a model. All you have to do is comment down below day and I will send you the invitation.